What's going on, AI pros? Michael here. And with this first article, the cutest AI ever, we got a wearable kitten-shaped camera. So this Look L1 is a fascinating addition to the, not even going to say that word, AI wearables. Should restart, but here we go. This is 1999. That is wrong too. I'm going to keep powering through. It is $199. So let's go ahead and start this article. Not so long ago, wearable tech largely meant smartwatches, glasses, and maybe a ring. But breakthrough in artificial intelligence over the past few years have opened up new possibilities for wear on the body that we might wear sensor-filled technology. This is really cool. It's the Looky L1. It's one of those things where we've never envisioned that design. And then people said, hey, this is an interesting application. We can't take one of these chips that go into a smartwatch and we can take advantage of it. So that's really opened our eyes to these new applications. So the Looky Companion app transports your captured content to the cloud where moments from your day are organized in chapters like a story, and your footage will be auto-cut into, ooh. Looky can also create short films around a particular theme for you to watch or share using your prompts about a particular place, person, or mood. Okay, this is this is awesome. So perhaps my favorite thing about the Looky L1 is its design. It reminds me of a cat with its oval face, ears, and legs. When you activate it by when you activate it by stroking it across the middle. Wow, I'm a minute in and I'm not being serious. When you activate it by stroking it across the middle, it chirps. And it chirps. Haptic vibrations resembling purrs to let you know how much battery it has left. Battery life is 12 hours. You tap on the Lookie's tummy and its legs will glow. This is dope. What is it? Let me take. Dun, 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 dun. The Lookie L1, the first AI multimodal life logging camera. This thing's fucking sick. So go check this out. I'm probably going to get one. Let's go over to OpenAI. Buy it in ChatGPT. We got looks like you can start buying stuff inside ChatGPT. More than 700 million people turn to ChatGPT each week for help with everyday tasks, including finding products they love. Starting today, we're taking the first steps towards ChatGPT, helping people buy them too, bringing the instant checkout powered by the agentic commerce protocol built with Stripe. So US ChatGPT Plus Pro and free users can now buy directly from the US Etsy sellers right in the chat. With over 1 million Shopify merchants like Glossier, Skims, Vuori, coming soon. Today, instant checkout supports single item purchases. Next, we'll add multi-item carts and expand merchants and regions. Wow. This marks the next step in agentic commerce where ChatGPT doesn't just help you find what to buy, it also helps you buy it. For shoppers, it's seamless. Go from chat to checkout, just a few taps. For sellers, it's a new way to reach hundreds of millions of people while keeping full control of their payment systems and customer relationships. I'm just trying to process this. This is crazy because I use ChatGPT more than I use Google. ChatGPT is my go-to one because I pay for it. But I still use DeepSeek. I don't use Copilot that much. Google, what is it? Oh, Anthropic. There we go. Claude. So I'm going to read a little bit more of this article. At the core of the experience is the agentic commerce protocol, which provides the language that lets AI agents and businesses work together to complete a purchase and a user. Purchase for a user, Mike. Jesus. Stripe is building the economic infrastructure for AI. That means re-architecting today's commerce systems and creating new AI-powered experiences for billions of people. We're proud to power the instant checkout in ChatGPT and co-develop the agentic commerce protocol to help businesses and AI platforms build the future of commerce. Staying on OpenAI, this is more on the safety, so combating online child sexual exploitation and abuse. So we're just going to briefly go over this. We train our AI models responsibly, so this is just talking about the steps that it's taking, AI tools for enabling new patterns of abuse. Yeah, it should be able to find or do that better. I don't know. The last article on ChatGPT still has to do with the safety, so parental controls. We're rolling out parental controls and a new parent resource space to help families guide how ChatGPT works in their homes, available to all ChatGPT users starting today. Parental controls allow parents to link their accounts with their teen's account and customize settings for safe, age-appropriate experiences. This work is part of our ongoing effort to make ChatGPT helpful for everyone and to give families tools to support their teens' use of AI. We've previously shared that we're building toward a long-term age prediction system that will help us predict whether a user is under 18 so that ChatGPT can automatically apply teen-appropriate settings. Parental controls are an important step in giving parents the ability to control their teen's experience with ChatGPT. Yeah, if they look up like barbecue sauce on titties, he's probably under 18. Parental controls, if you're a parent, definitely want to look into this. But let's go over to some articles over on Anthropic. We got a product article, Managing Context on the Claude Developer Platform. They got some new capabilities. Claude Sonnet 4.5, these capabilities enables the developers to build AI agents. So this is more for developers. I'm not going to go over this. Let's go over to... yeah, why am I tired? Claude Sonnet 4.5. So this is the best coding model in the world. It's the strongest model for building complex agents. It's the best model at using computers, and it shows substantial gains in reasoning and math. Code is everywhere. It runs every application, spreadsheet, and software tool you use. Being able to use those tools and reason through hard problems is how modern work gets done. Claude Sonnet 4.5 makes this possible. We're releasing it along with a set of major upgrades to our products. In Claude Code, we've added checkpoints, one of the most requested features that save your progress and allow you to roll back instantly to previous state. We've refreshed the terminal interface and shipped a native VS Code extension. We've added a new context editing feature and memory tool to the Claude API that lets agents run even longer and handle greater complexity. In this Claude app, we've brought code executions and file creation directly into the conversation. We're also giving developers the building blocks we use ourselves to make Claude code. Ooh. I'm just an OpenAI guy, but I did use Claude mainly for writing scripts for stories, nighttime stories. For YouTube, not for me. I don't need nighttime stories, but I could use one. Our most aligned model yet. Alrighty. Last article on Anthropic. Another one about products. So enabling Claude Code to work more anonymously. So this is just some of the upgrades that I previously talked about. We're introducing several upgrades to Claude Code and native VS Code extension version 2.0. We can watch that. Oh. Where's that native code? So it's crunching it, pondering it. Yeah, we get the gist. Yeah, I mentioned all these earlier, longer run times. Alrighty. That is going to be it for this one. This thing I'm going to take a little bit closer look at. Let me know down below if you would get one of these. But that is all for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.